evening, it's Tuesday, February 26 here in Cebu City. I'm Cherry Ann Lim, and here's all you need to know in NewsBits tonight. The Health Department said Tuesday that the number of dengue cases in Central Visayas continues to rise. As of February 26, 4,089 dengue cases have been recorded in the region this year. Here's Chari Coronel for the details.
Records from the Department of Health in Central Visayas revealed that the number of dengue cases for the first 55 days of 2019 rose to 4,089 from 3,681 cases last week. DOH Regional Epidemiology and Surveillance Unit Head Dr. Shelby Blanco said dengue cases recorded from January 1 to February 25 in the region were 231% higher compared to the same period last year, which recorded 1,232 dengue cases with 5 deaths. The top 5 areas in Central Visayas with the highest dengue prevalence rate are Cebu City with 478, Lapu-Lapu City with 390, Mandawi City with 234, Dumaguete City with 148, and Danao City with 93. Earlier, the DOH recommended the declaration of a dengue outbreak in Lapu-Lapu City and Sibunga in Cebu Province, the town of Lazi in Siquijor, and Tagbilaran City, Luon, Trinidad, Cortes, Clarin, and Dawis in Bohol. As of Tuesday morning, Blanco said they were still verifying the reported 29th dengue fatality. Blanco urged the public to practice the 4S strategy against dengue. The 4S stands for search and destroy mosquito breeding places, using self-protection measures, seeking early consultation for fever lasting more than 2 days, and saying no to indiscriminate fogging. Chari Coronel, NewsBits Tonight.
The Department of Health has reported the 5th and 6th measles fatalities in Central Visayas. Here's Justin Bastille for the details.
2 baby girls from Consolacion and Lapu-Lapu City were the latest measles fatalities in Central Visayas, health officials said Tuesday. The latest report from the Department of Health revealed that a 1-year-old baby from Barangay Pulpugan, Consolacion, and a 5-month-old infant from Barangay Ibo, Lapu-Lapu City succumbed to measles. 4 other persons died due to measles last week. The fatalities are from Carcar City, Pinamungahan, Moalboal, and San Francisco. According to DOH's Regional Epidemiology and Surveillance Unit Head Dr. Shelby Blanco, Central Visayas has recorded 475 measles cases with 6 deaths as of February 26. In Central Visayas, Cebu Province still has the highest number of measles cases with 336 monitored. This is 114 cases higher than the 222 monitored last week. Following Cebu Province is Negros Oriental with 103 cases, Bohol with 34, and Siquijor 2 cases. Blanco urged community members, parents, and most especially mothers and females of reproductive age to visit the nearest vaccination posts of DOH-accredited hospitals. Justin Bastille, NewsBits Tonight.
The Cebu City Council is asking the Executive Department to provide the list of habal-habal drivers who received the 15 million pesos worth of rice assistance last Saturday. Here's Chari Coronel for the details.
After distributing 1 sack of rice for every habal-habal driver qualified to receive the assistance, the Cebu City Council now wants the Executive Department to provide the legislative body the list of the beneficiaries. The Council is also requesting the Office of the Mayor to give a copy of the guidelines in identifying the beneficiaries of the rice assistance. In a privileged speech, Councilor Pastor Alcover Jr. said there is a need for transparency in all transactions of the city, as this is always an imperative to good governance. Assistant City Administrator Annabeth Quizon said drivers are required to submit certain requirements to qualify for the assistance. This includes duly accomplished profile sheet, voter's registration, any proof of possession of the motorcycle, certificate of indigency, and member certification from any habal-habal association. For drivers who are still completing their requirements, Quizon said they may still claim their rice assistance even after the scheduled distribution. Chari Coronel, NewsBits Tonight.
And here's the latest in entertainment news from Romaine Rivera.
Lady Gaga is indeed the star. The Star is Born actress, shown at the 91st Academy Awards 2019, held in Dolby Theatre at the Hollywood and Highland Center Sunday. The singer-songwriter, together with her co-stars, won the original song category for Shallow from A Star is Born. Gaga was also nominated in leading role category for actress. Aside from the awards, Gaga literally dazzled during the ceremony. Wearing the Alexander McQueen gown, the Star is Born actress partnered it with a Tiffany & Co. necklace she personally chose. The necklace has a 128-carat canary yellow diamond. The Tiffany & Co. creation is reportedly valued at $30 million or 1.56 billion pesos. The diamond was last worn by Audrey Hepburn in her posters for Breakfast at Tiffany's. Lady Gaga began working with Tiffany & Co. when the brand launched its hardware collection, a line that's a bestseller here in the Philippines. Romaine Rivera, NewsBits Tonight.
To get the latest, visit www.sunstar.com.ph. Follow us on our YouTube channel and official social media accounts on Twitter and Facebook. I'm Cherry Ann Lim. Good evening.